Welcome to the journey of financial independence, a crucial step towards a life of freedom and opportunity. Today, we're focusing on young individuals like you who have the potential to shape their financial future. Financial independence means having enough resources to live comfortably without relying on a traditional paycheck. It's about gaining control over your finances and making choices that lead to a secure and fulfilling life. Why is this important? Starting early allows you to build a strong foundation, enabling you to take advantage of the power of compounding and smart investments. It empowers you to pursue your passions without the constraint of financial worry. Throughout this video, we'll explore practical strategies tailored for young people in the USA, focusing on budgeting, saving, and investing. So let's dive in and discover how you can take control of your financial destiny. Before diving into strategies, let's address the foundation, setting financial goals. This crucial step is often overlooked, yet it's the compass that guides every financial decision you make. Imagine navigating without a clear direction. That's life without financial goals. Whether you're aiming to save for a dream vacation next year or planning for retirement in decades, these goals are your roadmap. Short-term goals could be as simple as building an emergency fund or paying off a credit card balance. Long-term goals might include buying a home or investing in a retirement fund. These objectives not only provide motivation, but also help prioritize where your money should go. Without these targets, financial independence remains a distant dream. But with clear, achievable goals, you gain control and direction. This is your first step towards empowerment, laying the groundwork for the strategies we'll explore next. In the following segments, we'll delve into budgeting, saving, and more, equipping you with tools for financial success. A solid budget is your roadmap to financial independence. It begins with understanding the basics of budgeting, which are crucial for maintaining financial control. Imagine having a plan that aligns your spending with your goals, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. We'll guide you through simple yet effective tips to create and stick to a budget that suits your lifestyle. From setting realistic limits to tracking your expenses, these steps can transform how you manage money. Today, technology is on your side. We'll explore the best tools and apps that make budgeting easier than ever. Whether it's a mobile app that tracks your spending or a tool that helps you visualize your savings, these resources are designed to keep you on track. Budgeting isn't just about restrictions, it's about empowerment. By mastering your budget, you lay the foundation for financial freedom, allowing you to pursue other strategies like saving and investing confidently. Let's take this first step together and unlock the potential of a well-managed budget. Up next, we delve into smart saving strategies that will further enhance your journey to financial independence. Saving isn't just about putting money aside, it's about securing your future. As a young person, understanding the importance of saving can set the foundation for financial independence. Imagine having a safety net that allows you to seize opportunities or weather unexpected storms without stress. That's the power of saving. Let's explore some effective strategies tailored for you. First, consider opening a high-yield savings account where your money can grow with interest over time. Next, automate your savings to ensure you're consistently putting money aside each month. It's like paying yourself first before handling other expenses. Diversifying your saving methods is also crucial. Think about establishing an emergency fund, which acts as a financial cushion for unforeseen circumstances. This fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, providing peace of mind and flexibility. Remember, small, regular contributions can lead to substantial savings over time. The earlier you start, the more secure your future becomes. With these strategies, you're not just saving money, you're paving the way toward financial independence. Up next, we'll dive into the world of investing, unveiling how you can grow your wealth even further. Investing can often feel like stepping into the unknown, but it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to build on what you've already saved, understanding the basics of investing is crucial. There are various types of investments to consider, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Each offers unique benefits and risks, and finding the right mix can set you on a path to financial growth. Starting early amplifies these benefits through the power of compounding, allowing your investments to grow over time. Even small, regular contributions can lead to significant returns in the long run. So, if you're ready to make your money work for you, it's time to take the first step into the world of investing. Remember, the goal is not just to make money, but to create a stable financial foundation for your future. Next, we'll explore how managing your debt effectively can further enhance your journey towards financial independence. Stay with us as we delve into strategies that help you take control of your financial health. Debt doesn't have to be a burden. By understanding the difference between good and bad debt, you can take control of your financial future. Good debt, like student loans or mortgages, can be an investment in your future. But bad debt, such as high-interest credit cards, can hinder your progress. To effectively manage debt, prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. Consider using strategies like the snowball or avalanche methods to systematically reduce what you owe. Additionally, it's crucial to avoid accumulating more debt by living within your means and budgeting wisely. Implementing these strategies not only helps manage existing debt, but also prevents new debt from piling up. Remember, managing debt is a key step towards achieving financial stability and independence. With the right approach, you can reduce debt and feel more empowered about your finances. As we continue our journey to financial independence, our next segment will focus on planning for retirement early, ensuring that your future is secure and prosperous. Stay tuned for more insights into building a financially independent life. As you embark on your journey to financial independence, it's crucial to consider your future. Retirement may seem distant, but starting early can make all the difference. Think of retirement planning as planting seeds for a bountiful harvest. The earlier you begin, the more time your investments have to grow. You'll be amazed at the power of compound interest, which allows your savings to grow exponentially over time. There are numerous retirement savings options tailored to fit your lifestyle and goals. From employer-sponsored 401k plans to individual retirement accounts, each option offers unique benefits to secure your future. The key is to explore these avenues now and commit to consistent contributions. By planning ahead, you're not just saving money, you're building a secure future where financial worries take a back seat. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for retirement. The decisions you make today lay the foundation for a comfortable and worry-free future. Take action today and watch your future unfold with peace and security. Next, we'll explore how diversifying your income can further enhance your financial independence. Relying on just one income stream can be a gamble, especially in today's unpredictable economic climate. By diversifying your income, you build a safety net that secures your financial future. Imagine having multiple sources of income flowing in, each contributing to your financial well-being. This approach not only reduces risk, but also opens doors to new opportunities. Take passive income, for example. It allows you to earn money even while you sleep through investments or royalties. Or consider the potential of side hustles, small businesses or freelance work that can complement your main job, offering both financial and personal growth. Starting a side hustle might seem daunting, but it can be as simple as turning a hobby into a revenue stream or offering services online. The key is to identify what you enjoy and where your skills lie, then take that first step. By diversifying your income, you're not just making money, you're investing in your freedom and security. Remember, financial independence is not just a destination, it's a journey. Up next, discover how staying informed and educated can empower you further on this path. In the ever-evolving world of finance, staying informed is not just an option, it's a necessity. As young individuals charting the course towards financial independence, continuous education becomes a vital tool. Why? Because the financial landscape is constantly shifting, and adapting to these changes ensures you remain in control of your financial destiny. Access to a wealth of resources makes it easier than ever to enhance your financial knowledge. From online courses and webinars to financial podcasts and books, the opportunities for learning are endless. Engaging with these resources empowers you to make informed decisions, paving the way for smarter investments and effective money management. Benefits of ongoing learning in finance are manifold. It not only helps you identify new opportunities, but also enables you to anticipate risks, ensuring a more secure financial future. By staying ahead of trends and understanding market dynamics, you position yourself to thrive rather than merely survive. As we continue exploring strategies for financial independence, remember that education is your compass. Up next, we'll delve into how you can take control of your financial future. Let's transform knowledge into action and empower you to achieve the independence you deserve. You've journeyed through a series of proven strategies, each designed to bring you closer to financial independence. You've set goals, mastered budgeting, and learned to save smartly. You've been introduced to the world of investing, managing debt, and planning for retirement. You've discovered the importance of diversifying your income and staying informed through continuous education. Now, it's time to take action. Remember, the power to change your financial future lies in your hands. Empower yourself by applying these strategies and starting today. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more content that will guide and inspire you on your path to financial freedom. Together, let's take control of our financial futures and achieve the independence we all deserve. Your journey begins now. Seize it.